Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot LX 4-wheel drive. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 105,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.